Riverfish.
Alright, Riverfish here, and I figured I would try Mount Pleasant Nature Park one more time. So it is late November. It's been pretty cold and rainy lately, but it actually is a bit warmer today. So I want to get out and get some fishing done. Give you a quick look where I am today. Might recognize this spot from the other videos. A little water feature over there. Alright, let's see if we can catch some fish. Alright, so for my bait today, I'm going to try out these things. So I figured since it's colder, the fish are probably going to be closer to the bottom. So we'll try out the smaller size first, and then move up to the bigger size. See if we can catch something. That's a fish. Oh man, there we go. That's a fish. What is this though? What are you? What are you? I can't even see it. It's got some weight to it. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's a bass. Yeah. I think he is. I think it's a largemouth. Oh man. Yeah, looks like a largemouth. All right. Huh. Alright, grab the pliers, I'll get them unhooked, and then I'll give you a look. Alright. There we go. That is a good fish. Oh man. I was not expecting to catch one of these in here today. It is huge. Okay, I'm gonna release it now. It's a little awkward, so I'm gonna go over here where it's closer to the water. Alright, and off it goes. Nice. So I've been fishing for quite a while now, and I just caught that one bass. It was pretty good size though, and last time I was here, I said I wanted to catch a bass, and I did. So I'm pretty happy with that. I did get a bunch of bites from sunfish and stuff, but I didn't really want to play with them because that's usually all I catch here. So if you want to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, thanks for watching.